Okay, what's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to do a proper chest fly using the PEC DECK machine right there. To get started, I will give you two examples of how not to do it. These are the two common mistakes I usually see when people are performing the PEC DECK. The first common mistake I usually see is people just let their elbows be dropped as they bring the handles together to the front. So the second most common mistake I usually see is when people use their shoulders to bring the handles forward. So their shoulders come out the pads to the front. That is most likely working more shoulders than chest and probably putting more strain on your shoulders if you're going too heavy. Okay, so now how to properly do a chest fly on the PEC DECK. To get started, we're gonna fix the seat. You wanna make sure the seat is in position where you can grab the handles above the chest line but below the shoulders. So right here. Once you are in position, you are ready to get started with the exercise. First thing you're gonna do is retract your scapula. Now this is very important in any chest movement. Why? This will help you isolate your chest more and lower the risk of injuring your shoulders. So when performing the exercise, retract your scapula, then make sure you pick up your elbows. Don't have your elbows pointing down, have your elbows pointing towards the back of the room. Keeping that scapula retracted, you're gonna get those handles as close as you can together. Keep those elbows up, don't let them drop, keep them up, then slowly back. You might be wondering how far back should you go? Only go as far back as you can while keeping that contraction in your chest. If it's too hard, you might have to lower that weight. Reminder, through the whole set, you wanna keep that scapula retracted and isolate that chest. Okay, now here is a bonus tip. If you're still having a difficult time feeling that contraction in your chest, go ahead and try pushing more from this side of your hand, the pinky side of your palm. So it's gonna look like this. Basically, you have your elbows up, scapula retracted, and you're pushing like you're sweeping up. And of course there's handles, so you're not gonna be able to sweep up. The motion's gonna look like this, but you're gonna be pushing more through the pinky side of the palm. That should help you feel your chest contract a little bit more. Also, yes, this exercise can be performed on dumbbells, cables, seated cables, you name it. But for my beginners, I would want you to start with the PEC DECK. Why? Because the machine, it can guide you to go from point A to point B. Once you got your form down, you know how to keep your elbows up, scapula retracted, and the direction to go ahead and try the dumbbells or cables and see how that feels. Always remember, get your form down first, then execute. If that helped you out, make sure to put a thumbs up, and until next time. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. If you haven't gotten the lat pull down, I suggest you check out this next video.
Dynamite, come on! What's the matter with you? There is no tomorrow!